Well, afternoon, guys. I am in my kitchen making a very delicious, hopefully, wine reduction beef meal. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I feel like I made it once before. It is a lot of work. Like, you have to take the beef, cut it, dip it in flour, salt, and pepper, and then fry it in the pan. Then start cooking some of these other things, and then throw it in the oven for like a couple hours. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I just added in the garlic. And you're supposed to like kind of cook it. You have to be careful not to let it burn. I love the smell of garlic, by the way. When it's cooking like this. Oh, delicious. Oh yeah, there we go. I smell it. I just want to eat this like this. Yummy! So then I'm supposed to add the carrots. And get them in here a little bit. It smells delicious, let me tell you what. I always get really impatient on this part because I'm like, hurry up, carrots. But I don't know how much they have to cook at this stage, actually, because I'm thinking it goes in the oven for like 2 hours. I can't imagine that it doesn't cook in that amount of time. Plus, raw carrot is fine, right? Oh, I don't know. Anyways, the recipe is on the Tasty app. I have to put a little bit of red wine in this and get it to reduce. That's the fancy part. That'll be exciting. All right, not really a great cook, but here we go. Okay, so I added in the celery because let's face it, I don't want to be here all day. So there's that. Mix it around. Boy, I really applaud these people who make tons of videos about cooking. You know, the recipe people. Like, it does take a lot of work and some coordination. I have to say that. Or maybe they have somebody that helps them. I don't know. All right, hold on. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my new tomato paste tube. Because I feel like the tomato paste needs to be like mixed in. Where in the recipe it says to put the meat in and then the tomato paste. And I'm like, how do you get it all mixed in there? Delicious like. I don't know. Do my own thing, I guess. And now the tomatoes that I cut up. I was going to use canned, but then I was afraid that the flavoring in the rotel would change the flavor that I'm trying to get, which I'm not really sure what that is. So, we'll see what happens. I hope this turns out pretty good. I'm not sure. And now I'm supposed to put in fresh rosemary. Throw that in there. Rosemary always trips me out because I'm really afraid that I'm going to choke on them because they don't cook. Or like it's going to get lodged in my tooth like a bone. Yeah, it's my weird fears. All right, let's add that meat in. You got it, buddy. Oh, thank you. That was determination, wasn't it? Wow, good job. Good job. Let's go lay down. Come on. So look what came today. I tell you what, Daniel is an amazing delivery guy. He totally, I don't have to fix anything. He fixed it for me. Like right here, yellow, green's available. And stacked up nicely and all together. It's just amazing. Yeah. So now I have to move these guys, which is the old stock, back over here so I can use this stuff first. And our day is set. And our month is set with our medical supplies. So yeah, it's a good day. He always loves Smokey too. He's like, Smokey is such a good dog. He doesn't bark. He doesn't do any, he's not like aggressive or really crazy. And I'm like, nope, he was trained that way. Because if I was going to have dogs in an apartment, they can't be barkers. Only if there's danger or there's somebody that he doesn't like. But he just sits outside waiting on the porch, just content.